Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Just a quick updates for Optimism. OP, USDT trading pair with my custom maker set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, today we pumped this 16%, around 16%, like this spike. Yes, 16%. We pumped it because Upbit listing. So today already listed or will be listed, I don't know what's the time zone here, but yes, we pump it based on this news. Nothing some special happened with this token, and globally, yes, I believe that Optimism can hit the new all-time high, once again, but not like crazy targets, and now we underrated, and this token, personally for me, similar to Arbitrum, and I'm waiting the new all-time high for these tokens, but I'm not waiting some crazy gains, because the capitalization kind of big one, and not all tokens will pump like crazy because not enough liquidity, and these two tokens kind of heavy now. So now we will try to retest the low of June 2023. Imagine this token since June 2022 already pumped it from this low, like 39 cents 6 till this one $4.86. So if we count in gains, it's like 1,100% gains. At least would be good to see that, I don't know, around 2,000%. So like $8 and $9. Everybody waiting that $10 for Optimism because it's like round number, beauty numbers. People wait all the time the round numbers. It's like a targets, but I don't think so. We're gonna hit the $10, but everything possible. Absolutely everything possible. Logically now, to see the test of this level like resistance, first it's around 90 cents. After that, bounce to test and the close. It's hard to say about the timing. This weekly gap, weekly gap. If we talk about a monthly one, it can be also this tiny two ones. Let's delete this one. So here's a monthly gap, tiny one, and this one. So around, let's say $1.45 and $1.60, it's possible to see, let's say, or I guess August or September will be green one for the alts. If we talk about corrections, take a look, guys. I showed you example. Usually when we got some impulse, we get a correction bounce. And this is the same story now. And take a look. If we count from that top, for example, this low, 38 level by FIB, almost touched at the 0.5. So we stop at $2.77, $2.96 was at 0.5 level by FIB. Done. If we count from this impulse to this low, so $1.34, $1.61, it's more than real to see like correction. And logical price movement, what I think and what I wish to see, I'm not hold the Optimism, but if the Optimism perform, I think that all alts perform together with the Ethereum. So I wish to see something like this one. Maybe after that, drop to under $1. Everybody gonna scream and we go into zero. And we start climbing up to sweep this high, like a new structure for the upside move. So this is what I'm waiting for Optimism. Now the crucial level, of course, to break the $1 price. After that, it's psychological trick. When we will pass the $1, everybody gonna scream we go into $5. The new all-time high confirm it, and all of this media posts from the influencer. That's why, guys, all eyes now on BTC dominance. If for example, here we pump it to $1.61, BTC dominance will go to 62%, and after that start going down. BTC dominance, I mean, not a BTC price. Yes, we can start build a new structure because the money will inflow into alts. And people waiting some crazy pump on Ethereum when we will pass the all-time high. But I think even if we will, and when we will pass the all-time high, we will see the correction. So would be good to see the new all-time high on Ethereum in August, and after that correction September, another new all-time high October and November, and end of the cycle. So this is what I'm waiting for. So first trouble area for Optimism is $1.61. Do I believe in drop and the sweep historical low like 39 cents? Honestly not. Not now. I think yes, we can drop to that levels later, but charts looks absolutely weird. Absolutely weird chart. Everybody who drew this trend lines, people always analyze. We get a touch, drop, fake out. So this is a fake out, confirm it. We bounce and crash it down. So now the people waiting, what people waiting usually? The test of this block. Now like support. But of course, the people withdraw that trend line and form something like this one. So $1.41, $1.60. And when we will go like this one, retest, everybody starts screaming, we're going to the moon. That's why, guys, I so rarely use the trend lines because it's absolutely subjective. You can withdraw the trend lines on different time frames and find that support what you need to find. So beta, what the solution? The beta work with liquidity pools and the gaps. So this is a zone where the big players, trade and leave some stops. So some stop losses, so anyway, this is a break of structure, middle term break of structure, $2.77, for example. So to talk about a new all-time high, we need to break this high. And usually something like this one, correction, and start build a new structure. So that's the point, guys. And on this movement, people, when we go to the correction, people start draw their cup and handle pattern, and the size of this cup and handle, let's say, can be, I guess, around $10 or higher. Here, 932. Maybe it's gonna be the this number like end of cycle, for the Optimism. Let's double check what's going on now with the Optimism. Like conclusion, but basic charts, I believe now in local test of $1.41, $1.62, crazy pump. It's $2.77, but I don't think so. We're gonna see that $2.77 in August, but it would be good to see. And the new all-time high, I don't know, end of autumn or spring 76. So that's it. Locally, I don't believe in new historical all-time low. So we are now like in an okay zone for accumulation. Here's looks like a double bottom on ADZ. Accumulation. So if you believe in new all-time low, of course you can wait that targets. I don't think so. We will see that one. So this is accumulation from Wales. We never seen this big accumulation ever since December 2022. So since March 2025, the Wales accumulated Optimism. It's good. And market more in this belief zone. It's also good for accumulation. But guys, if you believe in Optimism, I chose the Arbitrum between these two tokens. But I can say I'm satisfied. Yes, let's be honest. So I'm waiting the pump on Arbitrum, and most likely I will out from Arbitrum with my initial deposit. So my entry for Arbitrum around 50 cents, and now I'm losses, temporary losses. I'm not fix my loss. So I'm wait the pump to $1, withdraw my initial deposit, and reinvest the money in some other tokens. So take a look there. Money power indicator. Here's the top money outflow, money inflow. Money inflow was at 45 and 7. So even if we choose between the Optimism and Arbitrum, you can take a look maybe on Arbitrum because it's 81 cents. Arbitrum now it's 47, 45. Trade on. Sell, buy back, pump, buy back, tiny pump. Daily, guys, daily time frame. This is what I basically don't like. Here was the last signal to buy, close position, take profit, sell. Money outflow was 1, 2, 3 days in a row, money outflow, but it was like 10 days ago. So now no new money inflow. And here's a June 31 will be unlocked at almost 2% of up, and unlock some Optimism to launch super chain upgrade in June. So basically, you know, the super chain upgrade in June and nothing happened, because in June we just like 89% pump, but many tokens did the same without even any upgrades. So that's the point, guys. All of this fundamental stuff, super chain upgrade, 87%. Some random tokens pump it, like not random, but let's say the Pengu pump it. The Zora just by market makers pump it. Yes, just by market makers. So without any upgrades. So what's the point of that super upgrades if it's not help the price? And of course, after the fact, when we will be here, they will say to us, oh, take a look, it's because of that upgrades. No, that's just because of market makers' job. Also, what is good now for Optimism, take a look, it was at the take profit line till penny fixation. Now we trade on the fundamental value. So usually fundamental value, it's so underrated. Of course, if this token is not a pure scam, because a lot of scam tokens trade here. So fundamental value of this token on a weekly, it's 92 cents, and buy line $1.24 and 9. Take profit, it's $2.47. This one. Daily here. Soon, I think we will touch the take profit line 88.7, exit line 99.6. So would be logical to see, guys, this is what I explained before. We will go higher over that exit line. Everybody gonna open longs position, but after that we will drop and retest the buy line again. So this is my take for Optimism. To buy now or not, like usual, guys, it's always up to you. Maybe people not satisfied with this sentence, like why you always say it's up to you? Because guys, let's be honest, I build a plan personally for my money. I have no idea what you have to do with your own money. You know, for my plan, my trades, I follow my plan, my personal plan. To buy Optimism now for you, it's always up to you. I'm skip this token because I can't buy every single token or open position every single time when I just posted the analysis. No, logical entry, but I'm not track it. The token was here in like 6 days ago at the test of the buy line. It was a logical entry at 45 and 7. Nice one. I skipped this one. So just be careful, because yes, of course, you can now catch that good ride. For example, like to $1.40, like 74%, 75%. But of course, we can drop again to 44%, 45% to test the buy line again. On the 12 time frame, like you can see, we already test and get reaction, some tiny reaction, take profit, but everything just because of upbeat listing. Also, take a look how the buy line playing out until penny perfectly here. And yes, June. Oh, it was in June, not in June. Not 6 days ago. It was like the months ago or the months ago. Yes, that time I skipped the Optimism. So guys, I'm in Arbitrum. You know, I'm skip the Optimism, and I will not buy this token. So guys, hope you like this video. Wrap this and comment what is your realistic targets for Optimism. If you would like to trade with my customer research, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.